What's happening, everybody? Steve here, Raking Profit, coming back to you with another video from inside my sauna. And I wanted to make a video to share a point that a lot of new sellers don't understand. I see a lot of these comments coming in, and a lot of the comments are, hey, if I had your leads list, if I had your replens list, if I had access to your store, I'd be able to do the same amount of sales as you. And the simple truth is that is a lie. That is not true. A lot of folks think that my business comes down to the softwares that I use to source. They think it comes down to my replens list, my leads list. Well, all these obviously play a factor in me doing over $320,000 in the last 30 days. And my goal for 2023 is $750,000 with around a 25% profit margin. The fact is, it's a compilation of everything. And it's much more than having my store name. It's much more than having my leads list. It's much more than having my replens list. It's much more than just having my softwares that I use. It's all of the processes that I have. You could have my leads list. You could have my replens list. You could have my storefront name on Amazon. You still would not be able to compete with me. 100% guaranteed. If you did not have the team in place to support what I do, the systems in place, the SOPs that I have in place, and the processes that I've built over time. I have a lot of systems and processes, and that's what I talk a lot about inside of my eBay to Amazon mentorship group, which you can't even get into that unless you join the eBay to Amazon masterclass, and then it's an upsell past that. It's very exclusive. But that's one of the big misconceptions a lot of people have when trying to scale to low six figures and even high six figures. That's where I'm going this year. Is it's much more than just my storefront. It's much more than just the leads list. It's much more than just a software or replens list. It's everything combined. It's the compilation of the leads list, of the people that I have that support me on my journey, all the processes and systems I have, from sourcing to prepping to listing to shipping to storefront stalking, for how we deal with issues and challenges in the business. So if you're looking to grow your business and you're spending all your time just like saying, oh, well, it's because I don't have a leads list or a replens list, then get started on it. But just know that having someone's storefront or a leads list or a replens list isn't going to make you. It's all the systems and processes you build over time. And keep in mind, at the end of the day, I am not special at all, right? I don't want this video to come off as if I'm trying to be like cocky or ignorant, saying like, you can't compete with me just because you have my leads list or replens or whatever, right? And it's not like anyone's targeting me, but I see people attacking others all the time with this. And it's like, listen, building this business is much more than just knowing what to buy. That's like literally the tip of the iceberg, right? You're scratching the surface. So just know, if you want to build and grow and scale your business, it's the systems, it's the processes, it's the people that you have in place to help you and support you on your journey, okay? It's not just focusing on what to buy and sell. That's important in the beginning, and you could certainly scale in the beginning, but you're going to have a business where you're just going to have so many challenges and issues, and you're not going to be able to sustain it long term if you don't build the people, systems, and processes in place. So with that being said, I'm going to get back to enjoying this sauna session right here. I'm actually in my home, my little home sauna, and getting it in, but want to say much love. Appreciate you all. You are all amazing, right? Just go after it. Get after it. Start with step one. Start listing, start sourcing, start building that first system. And I'm telling you, if you stick with it over the next 6 to 12 months, you're going to have a business you're proud of. Much love, everybody. Bye.